Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, I intend to make videos to share my thoughts and learnings in data analytics, data science, and artificial intelligence. So for this video, I'm going to cover reinforcement learning, the third main type of machine learning. So what is reinforcement learning? So for reinforcement learning, you actually place a machine agent in an environment and give it an objective to reach in that particular environment. So the agent will then take different actions, right? And based on the different actions, receive some outcomes, like for instance, whether is it rewards or whether is it punishment, or whether is it near to the objective or far away from the objective. And the agent will, based on the outcome, right, know what is good and bad actions. So after many experience, the agent will then be able to string the actions together, right, to form a behavior. So for example, let's say the first training. So we put the mouse in a single maze, okay? And we tell the mouse that, hey, mouse, look for the cheese in the maze. So the mouse will then take different directions, and based on the different directions, determine what is the outcome. For instance, maybe the scent of the cheese, whether is it strong or whether is it faint. So of course, you then go in the direction where the scent is the strongest. So this is only just the first training. Most of the time, we will then put the mouse in many different mazes, and the mouse will then, based on experience, be able to determine that, hey, I think if I take certain actions, right, it get me nearer to the cheese, it get me faster to the cheese, and if I take several different actions, I actually get further away. So the actions that gets nearer to the cheese are the good actions, and the actions that gets away from the cheese are the bad actions. And because of so much training experience, right, the mouse will then start to think that, oh, okay, so these are the good actions and these are the bad actions. So I'll try to use as much of the good actions as possible and stay away from the bad actions as much as possible. So in summary, reinforcement learning is this. At each individual training, right, you place a machine agent in an environment and we give it out an objective to reach. So the agent will then, in each of these training, right, take different actions and get some feedback from it. And after many training, the agent will then be able to differentiate what are the good actions that lead to better outcomes, and what are the bad actions that lead away from the better outcome. So with this in mind, right, you'll start being able to string all these different actions together to form a behavior. Sounds interesting, right? So if you're interested to understand more about reinforcement learning, I strongly suggest you to have a look at this YouTube video. I'll put the link in the description below. So I hope this video helps in your understanding of reinforcement learning. Do consider giving this video a like and subscribe to my channel. To stay in touch, you can look for me on LinkedIn. If you're interested to read my blog, please visit my website. I do podcasting as well. I do invite fellow data professionals, right, to share about their data career journey. So if you're interested to understand more, do look for us on your favorite podcast platform. Just look for Symbolic Connection. Thank you.